Hello, this is Trista and welcome. Today we are talking about cleaning up your online home. So, those are all the places that you reside online in the virtual world or, on the internet. And those are places where we need to see where our energy is going, how much we are focusing, what's going on those places, and are we actually reflecting who we are through those spaces. So the first one is if you have a personal blog or website. It's a good time right now to check over those details and see if it still reflects who you are and what you're doing now and how you're serving others. I needed to look through my website to see if that was true for me. The second one is going through all the platforms, social media, all of that, writing platforms, video platforms. See if those are still working for you and see if they still reflect what you are doing right now. The third one is to look at the places that are working best for you, and also to look through your old tasks. And those may be things that you've been doing for a long time, but maybe you're not getting a lot of feedback or engagement on those. And that can be a telling sign that it's okay to let go of them. And that will free up energy for you to do something more on what is getting you results and is helping and serving others. You will be able to tell where you can focus your energy best through going through all three of these processes. You don't have to do all of them at once. In fact, I'm just going to start on my own website and then kind of move through things as I have time. So I invite you to clear up your online spaces and see how that affects your day-to-day life. All right, I will see you next time. I will see you Wednesday. Bye.